Hello, language legends. Welcome to English Buoyancy. Here are adjective phrases to level up your English game. First, what's an adjective? It's a word that describes a noun like a smiling face. Here, smiling describes face, so it is an adjective. In other words, adjectives are describing words that describe nouns. Simple, right? Now, an adjective phrase does the same job but uses a group of words. For example, instead of saying diamond necklace, you can say a necklace set with diamonds. Here, set with diamonds is the adjective phrase that replaces the adjective diamond with a group of words. Both describe the same thing, but the phrase gives you more detail. Cool, huh? Here's another example. Silk turban can be turned into a turban made of silk. See how it works? The phrase made of silk gives us more info about the turban. Here, the adjective silk is split up into a group of words to form an adjective phrase. Turban is a noun. Silk is an adjective. When we split up the adjective silk, it becomes made of silk, which is an adjective phrase. One last one, mountain picture, becomes a picture of mountains. Instead of only using the adjective mountain, the phrase of mountains uses more than one word to clarify the describing word. So next time you want to jazz up your writing, try using an adjective phrase. Happy writing. Stay connected to English Buoyancy for more clear concepts of grammar.